Hello everyone, so it's me Saif again, and I hope everyone is doing all right. So today I wanted to just share a little bit of kind of details from my past life back, that I was having this kind of a little bit of book of indicators. Not a book that I bought it from some author. I just made my notes and everything. So sometimes you do check it, because many of the times when you're learning, also learning is a process, and many of the times when you're going back to your learning days, you're still keep learning. I still keep learning, you keep learning, each and everyone we do check it out. And I found a good idea about it also, like maybe we can try and make it like this kind of thing. And I tried it, I repeated it, I did write the repetition, like I do write it repetition with each kind of strategy. So I wanted to show you in a similar patterns also, like how this works. And today also we did had a trading session. By the way, I do want to let you know all the links have been down below for my VIP channel. Everything, all the questions answer, I do interact it personally, each and everyone we do share results. And it's really interesting how we tend to make it up to into a way. So that is the kind of thing I wanted to let you know. So it's really interesting, so you do let me know. Do type me there also, all the channels, shares and everything. Like people do come join there quickly, they know me. That is the only direct access that you can have to me there personally and everything, because many of the times even if you type on the comments, I do might miss it. But this is only separately a group for the thing, so I'm always active there. So let's go right now guys, step by step we'll start it, what I wanted to show you. So everything has been set up, we'll just make it. So the first one I'll be using is RSI, second one I'll be using is D marker, third one this one. So similar kind of things. Now let's start it. Styles will keep it all default, color anything as you like it. So opacity will change it to 2px. D marker, where is D marker again? So I just wanted it down, that's why I deleted it. So D marker, let's go. Defaults also we'll keep it again same. And here we can make it this, and here we can make it this, or you can just make it green, universal color, where everything you can found it. CCI also the same, each and everything. Opacity I'll make it to 2px. That's it. If you want to change a color, if you find something a similar patterns into a way, you can just do it. It does not matter, but you just need to understand how I am just analyzing all these three indicators, and we start ahead and move forward. So let's go step by step. First of the step we'll be taking here is 2210, 2211, 30, 2214, and here 2214, and this 2211 and 30. So this is really interesting. I wanted to let you know, like similar kind of patterns we do have it into a way, and we still try to manage it and make it happen. So many of the times people do tend to make a little bit of analyzing, like I'll tell you, when I analyze three denominators, like from RSI to CCI or D marker, I first try to analyze all in orders, like RSI, CCI, then CCI to RSI, what pattern has been shown, then CCI to D marker, because it might shown it similar patterns into a way also. But our thing is like, maybe we should not make a slight mistakes what we have it. So that is what the thing. So when you analyze it from left to right, you keep moving forward ahead, and then you analyze it, because it's really important about this kind of indicators, even if it's vortex, even if it's I forgot the name, rate of change, and this kind of all the things, you understanding. So this is also very similar. So here also, as you can see it right now, let's go and start step by step. We'll analyze it here also. And so this is also not a thing. So again we'll go from here, make it from here also 2213, and again here also, and 2213, and again here also 2215, and same. So many of the times I still try to make you explain some of the kind of mistakes as we go ahead into the process also. Like RSI, if I compare with D marker in before this time, as you can see it on 2217, don't you see something that has been above the baseline and still both the thing. So the RSI and D marker was been showing the best of the things that has been there, but baseline for CCI what we have taken it, that merge ups into the 100. So it's again was a similar kind of pattern, and that's why I took a downward trade also here again. So you need to understand, like, basic of the point that I wanted to let you know is RSI I compare with first with D marker if they have the similar kind of pattern, then I compare both the indicators with CCI, do they match it, and all the three we amalgamate together and make it happen. So it's like this into a way. CAD and CHF, so here also it's really important, 2216 and 2217 and 2219 and 30. So here also it's really important, 2216, 2214 into a way, 1630. So this is also very similar patterns that we can find it out into a way, but this is also not a good trade for us. And here 2217 that we taken up having the pullback, 2214 having the pullback, 2215 having the pullback, 2217 and 30 having the pullback, and this also. So 15 and this also 14 and 15 to be this, and similarly patterns that goes up to be 2217. So this also was been there, the three of the indicators was been touching the baseline, as you can see 1700, and this also to the 17th it touched it. And basically when I compared all the things as we gone from the left to right and make it happen, but the whiskers that, as you can see it here also, when we compare it into a way, like strong point of form, when we compare it into a way, like many of the times we do tend to have a hurry into the things, and this kind of patterns, the similar kind of things we do tend to have a hurry. So you can make this kind of mistakes, you know. So that's what I wanted to let you know also, like how do we do it. So it's not a problem. Let's go and start it checking up with the two things again. So I hope you remember, guys, the mistake what we have made it before. You can just make it happen like many of the times also back to back. So you need to understand what patterns I'm showing you. You really need to understand and get it into the technical things basically. So 2221, as you can see the whiskers here, as you can see the peak point here, as you can see the peak point, as you can 17, 22, 20 here also the baseline. Let's check it, what, minus 53 here, it goes to 38 things here, it's like 0.44. still does not seems to be a wonderful trade. It's like this. So many of the times it happens to be like this. Here, as you can see, let's check it out in details. 68 was the marker, as you can see it, and here as you can see 0.75, and here as you can see it's 62. So, and but the similar kind of patterns like we have seen it here, as you can see it on 2220, what we found it out into a wave above the baselines and everything, what we have been done it into a thing. So that is what the thing I wanted to let you know also. This is how we analyze it from left to right. Even if you're having the confusion, do go to the things, understand, like the baseline 67%, this is the baseline, you understand, and plus this 41, this is the thing, how it has been roaming around. So that is what I wanted to let you know also. So analyze it, do let us me know also if you understood. If you have any comments and section down, do type me on there. I'm always available for you there. So thank you so much, guys, for your time and patience. I hope to see you next soon again. Goodbye, everyone.